I'm Adarsh. I'm associated with VIDUR almost last 3 years. So quickly, just I want to show you how VIDUR is helping to the professional in terms of drafting. Usually, while I'm connecting with the professional, so they are getting multiple documents. Sometimes they need to generate the orders appeal, notice reply, and what. So on the real-time basis, what I'm going to do, I want to show you one document where you can upload. It's a VIDUR is now supporting for the scan copy document as well as the PDF. So this is a nothing is a dummy document. This is a proper order related to the GST. It's a 48 page of order. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to upload on VIDUR. This is the upload option. With the VIDUR, now you can upload the multiple documents together, single document, multi-document, supporting documents, all kind of things. So I have uploaded this document, and now I'm going to run with the prompt. Now you need to choose your law type, like the document regarding to the indirect taxes, and as you need to generate a draft, you can select the drafting feature, and simple two step, you can generate a detailed response with this. Your draft is ready. Simply, you can download in a Word format. So with a VIDUR, if you need to create a large document, big document like 25 to 30 pages, hardly it will take half an hour, not more than that. You can simply edit this Word font as per your requirement. Also, you can add some point if you wish to add in your own language, that is also possible, and you can edit this at any point of time. Now, apart from that, just if you need to submit your responses in front of the authority, so what you can do, you can directly refer to these sources. Like we bought AI rights from Bharat Law House. Bharat Law publication has almost 5 lakh plus books, amounts of knowledge. You can directly click to this original PDF. As it is the same printed on the book, you are getting over here. At the top of this page, you will find out the book's cover pages by which one book we have taken these references.